Where are you, sir? He's way over the other side. Lord of His mercy, go to your husband. Alright, you're gonna be back. No problem, man. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, at this point we want to do some scavenger hunter. So for those who are interested, just come on over. Let's have a great time right here. Again, all we're going to be doing is sending you for random items within your reach. Okay? And the first person to go get the items and come back and sit down, the last person to do so is going to be eliminated. It's easy as ABC. Sir, good morning. Everything good? Yes, man. Everything airy. So folks, come on over. Again, it's all about your treasure hunt, scavenger hunter. Right here on the beat. For those who are interested, let's have a jolly good time. And remember, coming your way at 11:30, we got aqua aerobics. That's exercising inside the main pool. For those who want to do some work with aqua fitness, you know what I mean? You don't have to go to the gym or the fitness center and lift no weights. You don't have to run on no treadmill. Ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do is just step on in the pool. No problems. Right now, scavenger hunter. My two friends that were reading the board. Hello. Hello. Tall up top, those two folks right there. Touch them. Hello. Do you want to play a game? I saw you was reading the board. Come on over, man. Let's do a game. You are reading the board. That means you want to do something. Come on. You know what I mean? Ladies and gentlemen, again, we got scavenger hunter. And coming down on the beach, you got two lovely ladies. Miss Fiona and Miss Linda. Morning. I thought you'd leave yesterday. I'm joking. You leave? Where did you go? Oh Lord, have mercy. Alright, no problem. So my friends at this point want to do some scavenger hunt again. Keep repeating it. You want to do some games? Sure. Alright, so we're going to do some scavenger hunt, okay? Alright, take a seat right there. You want to put your things down? Just put it in one of those chairs. The mark of assistant, yeah? Yeah, you can put your phone down in your bag as well. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, there we go, got two folks. And remember, it's all about the scavenger hunt. For those who are interested, just come, sir, my friend inside the pool. You want to do this one? Scavenger hunt? No? Alright, no problem, man. Lady Fiona, what you want? You're there? Everything good? Want to play a game? Scavenger hunt. We're just going to be, you know, scavenger hunt, but we'll sing for random items. Just go get it last person and come back. No, we're not letting you dance. No dancing today. Today, I know a lot of persons are tired from last night and all of these things, so I will not let you dance. Okay, so Fiona, put your things down and come, let's play this one. Linda, if you want to play, you can play as well, no problem, okay? We need a lot of folks in this one. Oh, your babysitter. Okay, we go trouble you. Alright, so we need some folks.